Right, let's look at some polar patterns for microphones. So the Color-Right polar pattern is directional, so straightforward, just talking into the mic, facing the mic. Your next one here is bidirectional, so it's front and back where you get the recording is coming in. So you might want to use this for maybe some backup vocalists or something like that. You could have two backup vocalists facing, two bi-directional mics and singing into them. Super Coloroid is side rejection. So you can use your imagination here if you want to record a flute off to the side, a flute player off to the side. It could be a guitar player. It's more side rejection. Okay. Omnidirectional is everything in a 360 degree radius. So it picks up just basically everything, when you like it. You might want to do this on a drum set, put it about 6 feet in front of the drum set, put it on the directional, and it would probably record just about everything the drummer's doing, just using one microphone. People have done that before, So a shotgun mic is super Coloroid, so it's really intense Coloroid, everything from the front again. Hyper Coloroid is side rejection again. So anyways, so those are the polar patterns, that you can use for different microphones and certain instruments that you may want to use with it, and certain types of recordings that you may want to use with it.